In a world where the cosmos holds secrets and surprises, there's one celestial mystery that has captured the imagination of astronomers and enthusiasts alike. It's a tale that blends the thrill of discovery with the looming shadows of uncertainty, and it all began on June 19, 2004. On that day, astronomers Roy Tucker, David J. Tholen, and Fabio Bernardi unveiled a new chapter in cosmic history. They introduced the world to a previously unknown asteroid, a 350-meter-wide rock named Apophis. Almost instantly, this celestial body became the subject of intense media scrutiny and widespread hysteria. Headlines screamed of a potential killer asteroid that could come perilously close to Earth on April 13, 2029, a date that ominously falls on a Friday the 13th. The name Apophis itself, derived from the ancient Egyptian god of chaos and darkness, only added to the air of foreboding surrounding this space rock. But what does Apophis truly hold for us? In the early assessments by NASA experts, there was cause for concern. In December 2004, the probability of an impact was estimated at 1 in 37, or 2.7%, the highest risk ever recorded for an asteroid of this size on the Turin risk scale. This alarming statistic wasn't just about the year 2029, it extended to potential encounters in 2036 and 2068. While the media frenzy was understandable given these forecasts, 20 years later, the dust has settled, and both journalistic and astronomical communities have calmed. Thanks to detailed follow-up studies, it's now considered improbable that Apophis will crash into Earth in 2029, unless, of course, something unforeseen happens in the intervening years that defies all calculations. What remains certain, however, is that the impact of Apophis would not spell a global apocalypse like the asteroid that ended the dinosaurs 66 million years ago. Apophis is simply too small for such a cataclysmic event. Yet, the potential consequences would still be monumental. Scientists predict that the impact crater alone would span several kilometers in diameter, with a collision force capable of devastating an area the size of Central Europe. To put this in perspective, Apophis would unleash energy equivalent to 900 million tons of TNT. Compare this to the little boy atomic bomb dropped on Hiroshima, which had an explosive force of just 15,000 tons of TNT. While these numbers are both impressive and terrifying, the energy needed to destroy the entire surface of the Earth would have to be 100 times greater. Generally, experts estimate that the immediate kill zone would have a diameter of 250 kilometers. However, the exact impact consequences hinge primarily on where the asteroid would strike. If Apophis were to crash into the sea, it could trigger a monstrous tsunami, more than 100 meters high, engulfing nearby coasts and potentially causing untold destruction in the flat hinterlands. The devastation would be immense, claiming countless lives and reshaping the geography of our planet. But could Apophis really hit Earth after all? The good news is that, as it stands, what we've just heard is largely a hypothetical scenario. Past trajectory observations suggest that Apophis will narrowly miss Earth, passing at a distance of 32,000 kilometers in 2029. This might sound close, but in astronomical terms, it's a safe margin. Nevertheless, this reassurance comes with a small but perhaps significant caveat: Apophis will only pass Earth if its trajectory remains unchanged. The probability of an orbital change is low, but it's not zero. Adding to this complex equation is the fact that astronomers have observed Apophis currently altering its orbit. The Sun's radiation pressure is shifting it by approximately 170 meters per year. Fortunately, this shift is not enough to send Apophis hurtling towards Earth in 2029. However, it could potentially lead to a collision during a future passage. And there's more unsettling news: even the best current projections cannot entirely dismiss the possibility of Apophis being struck by a smaller asteroid. Canadian astronomer Paul Wiegert from the University of Western Ontario highlights that such an impact could impart enough momentum to dangerously redirect Apophis. NASA's DART mission provided a striking example of how a celestial body could be diverted in such a scenario. The mission involved the DART spacecraft acting as a flying battering ram, crashing into the surface of the 1,065-meter-wide asteroid moon Didymos. While this maneuver was merely a cosmic test, a similar push in the case of Apophis could have serious ramifications. When could it become perilous for us? As mentioned earlier, the deflection of Apophis was already recorded in 2020, suggesting that experts should keep a vigilant watch on this asteroid. However, this is easier said than done. Apophis has been out of our earthly view since 2021 and won't reappear until 2027. This is because the asteroid is currently traveling close to the Sun, rendering it invisible even to the most powerful telescopes. So, what happens in the meantime remains a mystery, and we won't know the extent of any changes to its orbit until a maximum of 2 years before its flyby. Fortunately, direct observation is not the only means to assess the risk of deflection. Using sophisticated model simulations, Paul Wiegert has delved into what would need to occur for Apophis to pose a genuine threat to us. His first task was to determine the potentially dangerous size of a battering ram asteroid. Earlier studies suggested that Apophis's orbit would need to shift by about 200 kilometers to enter what is known as the keyhole. This keyhole represents a small zone near Earth where our planet's gravitational pull could deflect Apophis enough in 2029 to place it on a collision course for its next visit in 2036. If you think it would require a colossal object to guide Apophis through this keyhole, you'd be mistaken. In fact, a collision with an object just 60 centimeters across could be sufficient. Such a collision would alter the asteroid's speed by about 3/10,000ths of a meter per second, paving the way for the necessary 200-kilometer orbital shift. The conditions for an impact in April 2029, on the other hand, are somewhat different. For this scenario, Apophis would need a speed change of about 500th of a meter per second. In other words, it would need to collide with an object roughly 3.4 meters in size. For us Earth dwellers, it's somewhat comforting to know that a collision alone would not be enough. The impact would also need to occur at a very specific time and in the appropriate direction. Now, let's delve into the probabilities and potential insights. While it's fundamentally possible for these events to occur, just how likely are they? In this regard, Wiegert notes that about 140 objects, each 60 centimeters wide, strike Earth every year, whereas only one object with a diameter of 3.4 meters does the same. When this is translated to the considerably smaller cross-section of Apophis, the probability of the asteroid entering the keyhole due to a collision becomes 1 in a million. The calculated probability of an impact in 2029 is even lower. According to Wiegert, it's 1 in 100 million. And when considering that only 5% of impacts from a 3.4-meter-wide object would impart the necessary impulse in the decisive direction, the probability drops even further, to less than 1 in 2 billion. As we can see, the risk of an impact is quite manageable from a purely mathematical standpoint. Yet, if, against all odds, the asteroid does come into dangerously close contact with Earth, these number games will no longer be of any help. Since this scenario cannot be entirely ruled out, it's all the more crucial for experts to measure Apophis's trajectory with precision once more, beginning in February 2027 when it returns to our field of view. Even a deviation of more than a few tenths of an arc-second could indicate a disruption in its orbit. However, according to Wiegert, this doesn't necessarily mean that the asteroid is on a collision course with Earth. Nevertheless, further investigations and analyses would be wise. In fact, researchers are already developing a small satellite to accompany Apophis during its Earth passage. Despite all the calculations, Apophis offers scientists a significant opportunity for knowledge. Since an approach of a chunk this size occurs only once every 100 years on average, the passage presents a rare chance to study a near-Earth asteroid up close. And the same opportunity extends to you, dear viewer. When Apophis enters our realm, it will reveal itself as a small, glowing dot in the evening sky. Imagine witnessing a cosmic marvel, a spectacle that brings the mysteries of space right into our backyard. As we journey through this narrative of cosmic intrigue, there's an underlying question that lingers: how do we, as a species, prepare for the unexpected? How do we harness the power of science, technology, and human ingenuity to navigate the uncertainties of our universe? In these moments of reflection, we find not just concern, but inspiration, a drive to learn, explore, and innovate. If this story has sparked your curiosity, if it has inspired a sense of wonder and adventure, then take a moment to support our channel. With a simple click to like and subscribe, you become part of a community that values discovery and exploration. Let's continue this journey together, exploring the cosmos and uncovering the secrets that await. We'll see you soon. As we ponder the cosmic dance of Apophis and the potential scenarios it presents, it's crucial to appreciate the intricate ballet of celestial bodies and the forces that govern them. This invisible choreography, dictated by gravity, momentum, and celestial mechanics, holds both beauty and peril. The story of Apophis serves as a reminder of the vast, interconnected universe we inhabit, a universe where even a small asteroid, guided by unseen forces, can capture our collective imagination and challenge our understanding of space. Our tale so far has been one of discovery, risk assessment, and the improbable odds of cosmic events. Yet, it's also a story of human endeavor, of scientists and researchers who dedicate their lives to deciphering the mysteries of the universe. These individuals, armed with telescopes, mathematical models, and computer simulations, are the sentinels of our planet, ever watchful for the signs of potential threats from beyond our blue skies. Their work is a testament to the power of human curiosity and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. As we look to the future, we must also consider the advances in technology that have made such vigilance possible. From powerful telescopes that peer deep into the cosmos to spacecraft designed to intercept and study distant objects, our technological prowess grows with each passing day. NASA's DART mission is a prime example of our ability to interact with and alter celestial paths. This mission, designed to test our capability to deflect asteroids, showcases the potential for future planetary defense strategies. While DART's mission was a test, it laid the groundwork for more sophisticated interventions should the need arise. The notion of planetary defense may sound like science fiction, but it is very much a reality of our modern world. As we learn more about the universe and our place within it, the importance of safeguarding our planet becomes ever clearer. The story of Apophis illustrates the need for preparedness and proactive measures, ensuring that we are equipped to handle the challenges that space may present. In this light, the asteroid's approach is not just a potential threat, but an opportunity, a chance to refine our methods, test our systems, and prepare for future encounters with space objects. Yet, even as we focus on defense, we must not lose sight of the opportunities for exploration and discovery that Apophis presents. The asteroid's close approach offers scientists a chance to study its composition, structure, and behavior up close. Such research could yield valuable insights into the nature of asteroids, their formation, and their role in the history of our solar system. Apophis, with its unique characteristics and trajectory, becomes a natural laboratory, providing data that could unlock new understanding of these celestial wanderers. For the everyday enthusiast, the approach of Apophis in 2029 is a chance to marvel at the wonders of the universe from the comfort of our own backyards. Imagine standing under a starlit sky, gazing up at a tiny dot of light that represents so much more than just a rock in space. It's a connection to the cosmos, a reminder of our place in the grand scheme of things. Such moments inspire a sense of wonder and curiosity, fueling our desire to explore and understand the universe around us. In these reflections, we find a narrative that is both cautionary and hopeful, a tale that encourages us to look beyond the immediate concerns and consider the broader implications of our cosmic neighborhood. As we navigate these celestial waters, we are reminded of the resilience and ingenuity that define us as a species. It's a testament to our ability to adapt, innovate, and thrive in the face of the unknown. So, as we await the arrival of Apophis and the insights it may bring, let us remain vigilant and curious, ever ready to embrace the challenges and opportunities that lie beyond our world. If this journey through the cosmos has sparked your interest, if it has resonated with your sense of adventure, then join us on this voyage of discovery. Like this video and subscribe to our channel, where we explore the mysteries of space and unravel the wonders of the universe. Let's continue to look up, for the stars beckon us to explore further and dream bigger. Until next time, keep your eyes on the skies and your mind open to the infinite possibilities that await. As we draw closer to the culmination of our journey with Apophis, the narrative deepens, inviting us to contemplate not only the science of astronomy but the philosophy that underpins our exploration of the unknown. The universe, in all its vastness, is a canvas painted with mysteries, and Apophis serves as a stroke in this grand masterpiece. It reminds us that while we are small in the cosmic scale, our curiosity and determination make us significant. The anticipation of Apophis's 2029 flyby is not just about potential risks but also about the human spirit's resilience and adaptability. It's about how we harness knowledge and technology to turn potential threats into opportunities for growth and understanding. This asteroid, with its potential for impact and intrigue, is a catalyst for discussion and innovation, prompting us to consider how we can coexist with the celestial bodies that share our solar system. In this context, Apophis becomes a symbol of our era, a time when humanity stands on the cusp of mastering the knowledge required to navigate the complexities of space. We are living in an age where space exploration is not just the domain of government agencies but a shared endeavor that includes private enterprises and international collaborations. The lessons learned from Apophis will not only inform our planetary defense strategies but also enhance our ability to explore and perhaps even inhabit other worlds. As we look to the future, we must also acknowledge the challenges that come with these advancements. With great power and knowledge come great responsibility. The ethical and philosophical implications of altering celestial paths, exploring other planets, and potentially encountering new forms of life require thoughtful consideration. Apophis, in its own way, urges us to reflect on these issues, pushing us to think critically about our role in the universe. But let's not forget the wonder of it all. The universe is a place of endless possibilities, and Apophis is a reminder of the beauty and complexity that lie beyond our atmosphere. As we prepare for its approach, we are reminded of the power of community and collaboration. Scientists, educators, and enthusiasts alike come together to share knowledge, inspire curiosity, and foster a sense of connection to the cosmos. In these shared experiences, we find a sense of unity and purpose. We are all part of a larger story, one that transcends borders and generations. The exploration of space is a collective journey, and each of us plays a role in shaping its future. Whether through scientific discovery, technological innovation, or simply gazing at the stars with wonder, we are contributing to the legacy of exploration and discovery. So, as we await Apophis and the mysteries it may unveil, let us embrace the spirit of curiosity and adventure. Let us celebrate the achievements of those who dedicate their lives to understanding the cosmos and acknowledge the potential for growth and learning that lies ahead. If this narrative has resonated with you, if it has sparked your imagination and inspired you to look up at the night sky, then join us on this journey. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and become part of a community that values exploration and discovery. Together, let's continue to explore the stars, unravel the mysteries of the universe, and dream of what lies beyond. As we close this chapter, remember that the cosmos is vast and full of wonders waiting to be discovered. And with each new discovery, we come a little closer to understanding our place in this magnificent universe. Until we meet again, keep your eyes on the skies and your heart open to the infinite possibilities that await.